this Instagram is so big. You chose my post to come and spread your, like, spend your time on. So good. I want traction, right? Insta is not checking good comment, bad comment. Insta is checking number of comments. You give me traction. aa jao, de do. Any publicity is good publicity.
All of you are there because all of you are artists. We thrive in a similar sort of environment. How do you guys really deal with negativity? Because do you know, wherever you're walking right now, there are people who are going to take you down. There are people who want to make you feel demotivated. If they can't really give hope to you, but they're going to pull you back. So how all of you guys, it's also I'm also asking to you, Vijay. So how you guys really deal with that negative sort of energy? Because we are at home right now, there's a lot of bad things going on. These things I feel are really pouring up on us, especially people who are artists. So how you guys are dealing with it? Like, I want to know what's your take on that?
ये बंदी ने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत सही ऑन पॉइंट क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया है, ठीक है. सो ऑल द आर्टिस्ट, ये सारे विंडो बात करेंगे, ठीक है. कौन स्टार्ट करेगा? एजे सबसे कम बात करने वाला है, जो ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है बंदा. एजे, व्हाट डू यू?
Okay, so you're starting with me with this kind of question, huh? That too from Satabdi. So yeah. Okay. To go back to the negative bit, this time it's getting very difficult to deal with whatever that is coming in. A lot of people that I move around. I used to stay in Powai when I was in Mumbai, and the people that are around me more were from the corporate background. So they weren't used to the kind of things that I am facing, because their job was going on after a point. They're working from home. But the kind of stuff that I was facing, I just couldn't even tell them or convince them that, okay, that's something that is going through my mind, and why not be a bit more modest or a bit more soft spoken towards me, that I just couldn't see happening. I feel that after a certain point, I started becoming more humble towards the people that are around me, because I got to realize that everyone who I'm talking to, they feel that my problem is the biggest. So okay, this is what I am feeling. ये पैंडेमिक हुआ है मेरे साथ, आज बहुत हो गया है भाई, मेरा 10% कट हो गया सैलरी पे. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? Like, I know people जिनका सैलरी बंद हो गया for next 6 months. I know people who have just lost their job, who are walking back. But these people kind of talk that way, that I am facing the biggest problem, which I can understand that, considering what you are used to experiencing, okay, this is a much more bigger problem. But to again deal with this kind of stuff and make them understand, I think it's futile to tell someone to, okay, dude, this is happening with me, please be more humble or more soft spoken towards me. I think I'll just do my stuff and move on from there. I'll connect with a lot more people who are related to me, who are understanding my kind of stuff. I think this social media is one good thing wherein you can connect to a lot of people. I am talking to Chaitanya out of nowhere. I've never met him. Being in Mumbai, I've never met him. So it's a really interesting thing to again connect with someone just based on social media. I think I haven't checked out you guys' work, but I see Virali's work, Monica's work, Achal's work, Chirag again. So these people have such interesting kind of work that are happening in their background. So why not just connect with them and talk to them? I think they would be more friendlier towards me. They would have more open approach towards what I want to do. I can be more free in talking to them, and maybe that would give me certain ideas. Because with me, I try to I do photography plus films, so I always want to get some new ideas. So at the start of this pandemic, all the ideas that were coming into my head was complete negative, complete crap. It was just something that I was getting from the outside world. But as soon as I started talking to someone like Satabdi or Chaitanya or anyone else, I started to realize, okay, I can do a lot more. Like just talking to Satabdi, once I realized, okay, why not do a podcast on her story? Like it was that simple for me. So yeah, so maybe just connecting more with people who have similar interests, who are more relatable to you. I think that is the way to go about. Yeah. Anyone else want to add up on that?
Yeah. So
Yeah, Achal.
I would like to say something. So for me, I think the negative side of it, like I will tell you from my experience and the artist communities I am a part of, what they have been experiencing so far. One side is like switching from professional career, like from the corporate world to being an artist. The most negative bashing at the moment that is that, how will you make money out of it? It's very difficult for people to accept art as a, and people can accept is that being on social media, you say anything they want behind. Even the introverts, when you meet them face to face, it's difficult for them to talk to you about whatever they're feeling. But behind social media, they are free to express whatever they want to, even if they are not humble about it. And I think a lot of people have gone through it. That not very positive comments you receive from people. But what I think is, how to deal with it is that focus on a larger audience. So there will always be people who will not like what you're doing, or even if they like what you're doing, they'll not support it. But there are a larger section of people who actually love what you do, and appreciation is the most important. By 95% of the people, you shouldn't care about 5% of the people, and this idea should stay in that. I feel that 95% is what has supported all of us, especially during the lockdown going. Mindset of people, that you're not the only one who is dealing with all this stress and negativity which is around you. There are other people also who are going through it, and that gives you strength. So you might talk to a friend who is in the corporate world and he might not understand you, but if you have someone who is from the similar background, you can connect with that person and let out what you are feeling. So I think it's been a tough journey for all the people, especially for the artists, because they can't go out, and especially the wall graffiti artists, they can't go out and do that stuff. But Zoom calls, the social media connect has been more of a positive influence for artists as compared to the negative part. Yeah.
Awesome. Anyone else who would like to add? Chirag, bhai.
Yep. So I think lockdown has got a lot more negativity apart from the basic things which we face during this journey to become a successful artist. Be it casting couches, be it people who try to pull you down, be it people who think negatively about what you're doing, be it people who don't support you, even if it's your family, your friends as well. Having faced all that a lot, I think I've come up with an approach which I think works for me. I don't know how much it would work for you. I really think meditation is something which has helped me a lot. And to be honest, I felt I've been in depression. I've faced a lot of things in the past. So meditation has helped me to get over it, to have a self-confidence. And then there is this saying which you like, suno sabki but karo dil ki, which is actually true. Like, you can have a filter on listening to everyone and maybe grabbing the good things sometimes, but it's difficult to deal with them, of course. But I think it's more about training your mind as well. To be honest, it's been 4 months we have been stuck in the house, or maybe 5. There were only few dips. Luckily, there were only few dips in these 4 or 5 months for me. Apart from that, I've been in a good mood. I've been training a little bit as well. Beach mein. Sometimes I skipped, sometimes I stopped completely because there was a dip in my mood and everything, and I was dealing with all those negative thoughts. But most of the time, because of I think this saneness which I try to keep in myself has helped me a lot. Apart from that, music is something which works for me. So whenever I feel very low or feel to cry, I literally listen to some music which is like my own playlist, which is my comfort zone. Also, I think talking to people who are in your field, like we should have already taken off with that it helps, because when you speak to someone who understands you, it at least, even if they are not actually understanding or they're not responding to how you can deal with it, at least you have taken a large chunk of that weight from your heart out. कि उसे बता दिया कि this is what I'm feeling, and then let it go from yourself. So I think that also helps you a lot, even if the person is not responding to अच्छा ऐसे deal कर, ऐसे कर, it's okay, but at least someone to listen to you, that really helps. And I think that's about it from my side.
awesome भाई। चिराग ने एक चीज बहुत अच्छी बोली कि मतलब भाई सुनो सबकी, करो खुद की, सुनो दिल की, जो एक्चुअली है। मतलब इवन आई फॉलो दैट, मतलब आई फॉलो माय इंट्यूशन। अब पता नहीं था भाई किसको, दूर दूर तक पता नहीं था क्या होने वाला था करके। आई वाज एंजॉयिंग एवरीथिंग भाई। एक तो इट वाज प्योर इंट्यूशन। आई वाज लाइक फीलिंग बैडली इन माय इंजीनियरिंग डेज। सडनली जब पेरेंट्स अलग हो गए, मैं अलग रहने लग गया, आई स्टार्टेड स्टेइंग अलोन इन मुंबई। सो तभी बोलते ना रियलिटी चेक मेरे को मिला, चैतन्य नोज द इन एंड आउट ऑफ इट। तो मतलब वो बोलते ना रियलिटी हिट मी। सो आई वाज लाइक अब क्या करूं, आई डोंट हैव अ डिग्री, आई डोंट हैव लाइक माय पेरेंट्स विद मी नाउ, ठीक है, अब मैं क्या करूंगा। सो इट वाज प्योर इंट्यूशन। लाइक आई गॉट अ कॉल, लाइक पहली गलती क्लियर करता हूं। पहली गलती क्या थी, मैंने एग्जाम ही नहीं दिए थे। So I just went there, I gave the exams, I cleared all the papers, I became an engineer finally on paper, and I was like, now what should I do? So intuition that I should stick with anchoring itself. So luckily things started working a lot. I was getting a lot of live projects. Lockdown se pehle I had 11 shows on paper ready. मोदी जी आए, नॉट विरागी भाई, बड़े मोदी आए, ठीक है, आए, मित्रों बोल दिया बाय, 11 के 11 इवेंट बाय। So I was like, अब क्या? So yes, the first 3 weeks was like very confusing. I started getting a lot of suggestions from my close friends, my family, like अब तो देख भाई डिग्री है तेरे पास, अब तो यूज कर ले, इंजीनियर है यूज कर ले भाई, टेक अ जॉब, डू समथिंग, क्या करना है, आर्टिस्ट बन के क्या रहेगा, कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला, देख बैठा है घर पे करके टाइप। So suddenly I got a call from out of nowhere, a very old client of mine. She was like, okay, it is my daughter's birthday and I'm throwing a Zoom party. I want you to host. ठीक है, घर पे बैठे क्या कर रहे, हाँ कर लेते। तो मैंने कर दिया and it worked like anything. I started getting calls again and like, okay, you are doing this Zoom event hosting and thing. Like, yes, I'm doing it. तो भाई मेरा भी कर ले। So it is pure intuition. This is my father has told me, मतलब भाई मन साफ रखो, जो है मन का सब बोल दो, बात खत्म। सोचने वाला जिसको जो सोचना वो सोचेगा ही सोचेगा। आप कितना भी अच्छा रहो, आप कितना भी उसको फील गुड कराने की कोशिश करो, he will think that way. And there's one, I don't know, I might be wrong, but I believe there's one big obstacle that an artist faces is like, artist का काम ही शो बिजनेस है। जितने ज्यादा लोग देखेंगे उतना अच्छा। अभी उसमें कॉर्पोरेट का कैसे भाई, एंड में हम वी आर ह्यूमंस, सब एक ही चट्टे फट्टे, कुछ नहीं। वो ऑफिस में बैठ के क्या कर रहा है हमें नहीं पता चलेगा, लेकिन उसकी दुनिया जो ऑफिस वाली है, कॉर्पोरेट वाली है, वो वहीं पे घूमती है। इट डजंट कम आउट ऑफ द ऑफिस। ठीक है, द प्रेशर दैट एन आर्टिस्ट फेसेस, लाइक भाई जो वो काम करता है बाय डिफॉल्ट सारी दुनिया को दिखना चाहिए, द होल वर्ल्ड हैज टू सी इट। तो ऑब्वियसली सब रिस्पॉन्सेज उसके हिसाब से सब जगह से आते हैं। भाई पेरेंट्स बैठ के देख रहे तुम्हारा काम, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स देख रहे, योर क्लाइंट इज वाचिंग, पता नहीं ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रहा है, सब जगह स्प्रेड है, तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब योर बिजनेस इज द होल वर्ल्ड। तो वहां से बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर आता है, क्योंकि भाई वो एक ऐसा नहीं कि फर्म में आप गए, बंद कमरे के बीच में ये सब हो गया, सब बारिश पिट गई, बाहर आके एकदम नॉर्मल नहीं। सो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आन आर्टिस्ट हैज टू गो थ्रू। बट वही है, इनिशियल स्ट्रगल तो ऑब्वियसली रहता है। If we are very clear in our mind, then I believe वो धीरे clarity सामने वाले को भी मिल जाती है। The change of thoughts finally pop in around within the people around you. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, intuition, I follow intuition, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं भाई। Luckily my father was a very is in that, ठीक है, he is a very humorous guy, तो उसी की वजह से मेरे को humor मिला। मैं खुद पे 2 जोक मार देता हूँ, शांत कर देता हूँ, all good। ऐसा कोई stress नहीं है। So, Monica Virali, would you like to add anything? on this. It is actually a
Can
very
I add
strong
something?
question that Shatabdi has asked.
Can I add something, Vijay?
Yes.
I think last year when I just came to India, I'm always a person who always plans a lot. तो मैंने अपने आगे के साल भी प्लान किए हुए हैं कि इतने पे इतना this age and what. And I think that's something which I realize it's not a good way to look at life. It's more about abhi, that next 100 meters मेरा जो goal है उसमें क्या है, next week or next month के लिए मेरे क्या goals है. I think short term goals is helping me more to keep a sane mind, because when I had these goals कि मैं अभी आ गया हूँ, 24-25 हो गया हूँ, 26 तक ये करना है, 27 तक ये करना है, that was creating more stress and more negativity around me. So yeah, I think having short-term goals also help to deal with the negativity, and just filling those boxes and ticking them कि चलो ये हो गया, अब next goal, okay ये हो गया, okay fitness 2 किलो कम करना है, okay ये हो गया. I think yeah, that's something which also helps. So
Awesome. Actually, Chirag, it is actually a very good point क्योंकि मेरा भी ऐसे ही हुआ था. My parents they had planned a lot of things. मतलब बोलते ना बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा, इंजीनियरिंग के बाद चलो MBA भी कर लेगा, MBA के बाद उसको भारी जॉब लग जाएगा. ठीक है, अभी 17 का है, 21 में खत्म होगा, 23 तक MBA हो जाएगा. 23 का जब हुआ तब मेरी माँ बोल रही थी भाई एग्जाम देने का प्लान है तेरा, इंजीनियरिंग खत्म करेगा. तो उसके बाद से प्लानिंग बंद हो गई थी. तो शॉर्ट टर्म has Chirag told me भाई शॉर्ट टर्म goals helps a lot. तो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर मैंने देखा and it worked. I'm working that way only. I'm just looking on the today and ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कल तक सोचूंगा, परसों तक मैं सोचता ही नहीं. बस yes. What do you, Monica? Please add something.
I would like to say that especially on social media, if there is negativity, I generally choose to ignore it because I do believe that a lot of it is just seeking attention. So a lot of people are being negative for what? For no reason. They're not getting anything out of it except for attention. So I choose to ignore them because that's it. Like, I don't want it to affect me, and I don't want to give them the attention that they're seeking. So that's it. So that's how I do it. I think that's most of the time it works, but sometimes they say things that it just sticks and you keep overthinking about it. I think just talk about it to someone who is a well-wisher and is a well-wisher for sure, and they will get you out, because there are times when something hits a nerve and you just spiral down and you overthink and all your insecurities pop out, and that's it. That's all you're thinking about, and I think that's a bad place. That's a really, really bad place to be in. So just speak to someone. It feels like, no, I don't want to speak to someone about it because you just you're spiraling. But yeah, I do try and just give a hint to someone or just talk very superficially about it to someone. And even one good thing, one appreciation, one validation just pulls you out of it. Or even if you keep busy after it and try and not think about it, also helping, but mostly ignoring. Yeah.
Okay. Virali, would you like to add something? You have to add something, please.
So one thing that my mother had always taught me, like from a very young age, she always told me, so she has this 3F rule, जो last वाला F में नहीं बोलूँगी, but समझ गए सब. But if they're not feeding you, if they're not financing you, if they're not you, then their opinion doesn't matter. So my mom had always imprinted that in my mind, and when I started getting onto social media, using social media as a tool for my career, I got a lot of backlash. I did get a lot of backlash. Even during this lockdown, I was bored. मेरे सारे live events cancel हो गए थे. There was no substitute for webinars or anything. Initially, 1-2 महीने तो सब पागल हो रहे थे कि what are we gonna do? And ऊपर से my dad, Vijay, just like you, my dad, कि तुझे 3 साल हो गए इस करियर में, तूने क्या उखाड़ लिया, अब तो लॉकडाउन भी है, अब तू क्या करेगी तेरे लाइफ में, इससे अच्छा आजा यूएस वापस, मतलब ये यहाँ पे मैं सेट कर दूंगा तुझे. एंड आई एम लाइक पापा मेरे को बिहाइंड द डेस्क जॉब नहीं करनी है, आई एम गोइंग टू फिगर दिस आउट, it's my intuition, I'm gonna figure it out, let me work on it. So I started like doing my own content, YouTube and all of that. I started that, and धीरे धीरे followers बढ़े उससे और traction आया. No doubt I'm still a very small channel, या 500 followers है, subscribe करो please. But नहीं, उससे like काफी recognition मिला, a lot of acknowledgement, because I tried to combine comedy with disability rights activism and awareness. So it's very interesting for people, and my dad never thought that अच्छा like likes आएंगे, shares आएंगे, IGTV पे ये होगा वो होगा. Dad does not understand that, right? So जैसे milestones, like I started achieving them, I would tell Dad, and then through that I got webinars, like contracts for webinars and stuff like that. तो अभी उसका shooting हो रहा है. And I'm like, पापा आप क्या बोल रहे थे? What were you saying? मैंने क्या उखाड़ लिया, मैं क्या करूंगी अपने लाइफ में? Like, प्लीज पापा आप चिल पिल ले लो और आप चिल करो. Don't ये टेंशन मत डालो, because literally when he started saying those things to me, it did bring out my insecurities. It made me feel vulnerable. It put me in that dark zone, right?
Yeah.
And what I did to combat that was I started cooking. I started working out. I just started meditating, and I just started focusing on myself. And that again, like Chirag said, that brought a lot of patience to deal with all of this. And cooking in itself is like a meditative thing for me. So
Absolutely.
it just brought me into that zone where I started focusing on what I want to do. And यार कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आ गए अभी, और क्या चाहिए मुझे? घर पे बैठे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से आई कैन वेयर पजामा बॉटम्स, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. क्या चाहिए मुझे और?
Right.
So Ash, you were saying that there's like a lot of negativity. For me, the top thing that obviously always works is like having a best friend at your disposal, in whose ears you can rant, because sometimes you just need to get it out of your system. Apart from that, another thing that really works for me is reflecting on my past achievements. When I say past achievements, I'm not talking about my career achievements. I'm talking about all my pitfalls that I've overcome. Be it all the smallest barriers. I'm not going into the nitty-gritty of it, but be it in terms of figuring out my financials or my jump from the corporate to the right now, or when I was going through something very, very emotional which got me really down, but I managed to get through with it. So when I managed to reflect and see my strength in terms of overcoming a past struggle, this too shall pass kind of comes to heart, like you tend to feel it कि यार मैंने वो कर लिया तो ये भी कर ही लूंगा. So that is something that really, really helps me. And the way Monica was saying, in terms of someone spreading negativity on your posts, or your Instagram or any social media, I would like to say, I look at it in a different manner. Like, okay, whatever it was, it made them stop and comment, right? Or it made them stop and react. So that's pretty much all that matters. इतने सारे थे. Instagram is so big. You chose my post to come and spread your, spend your time on. So good. I want traction, right? Insta is not checking good comment, bad comment. Insta is checking number of comments. You give me traction. आ जाओ दे दो. Any publicity is good publicity. I've learned that in the long run very well. It just doesn't bother me now. I'm like, come.
You're immune.
सही है